Hello, this is Radfan Ujaila. Today I am presenting you an easy process that is used for making a restore point for your Windows. This restore point can help you restore your computer to a particular point of time in cases of failure. To start, just right click on this PC and Properties, and from here we select System Protection. And from here, as you see, um, system protection is turned on for local disk C, and we can turn it for other disks. For example, for this one, I can turn it on from here, turn on system protection, and from here you can allocate the size of the restore point. For example, let's make it 10, okay, 10 GB. Then apply. After that, okay. After turning on the system protection on this disk or on this partition, we go to create. Name it as you want. For example, my restore point. And you can also add the date of the day and create. This process can take a few minutes depending on the speed of your computer and the size of the files on your disk. Now we're done with this restore point. Close it. And in case you want to restore your computer to that restore point, just go to System Restore. After that, select the restore point or the system image that you have created previously. This is the one that I have created just right now. You can proceed from here. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just write it in the comments below. Please do not forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye.